Today, House Democrats plan to request documents from dozens of people inside President Trump's inner circle, including his son, Donald Trump Jr. The latest move by the House Judiciary Committee started after the president's former personal attorney, Michael Cohen, testified publicly last week. One congressman is the chairman of that committee, and he says that Cohen, quote, directly implicated the president in various crimes.
We will be issuing document requests to over 60 different people and individuals from the White House to the Department of Justice, Donald Trump Jr., Alan Weisselberg, to begin the investigations, to present the case to American people about obstruction of justice, corruption, and abuse of power.
Congressman Nadler went on to caution that impeachment proceedings are, quote, a long way down the road because the committee doesn't have all the facts yet, he said.